Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Time with Vasu. Today we are going to learn articles. How many articles are there? There are 3 articles. A, an and the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Where are they used? Articles are used before singular noun and plural nouns. If you haven't seen my video of singular nouns and plural nouns, please check it afterwards. So, article is used before singular noun and plural noun. Now, A and N are used before one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. In short, before singular noun. A and N are used before singular noun. Now we are going to learn article A. Article A is used before a singular noun which starts with a consonant sound, except A, E, I, O and U. Let's see the examples of article A. A hen, a globe, a nurse, a shirt. Over here, friends, you can see the first letter of the noun is consonant sound. So we H, then G, N and S. So we used A before it. Did you got it? Yes. Now we are going to learn article an. Article an is used before a vowel sound. A, E, I, O and U. And it is used before a singular noun. Now let's see the examples of article an egg, an owl, an arrow, and igloo. Friends, here we can see the first letter of the noun is starting with a vowel sound. E, O, A, I. They are vowel sounds. So we used an before it. Now we are going to learn article the. Article the is used before when the noun is plural. When we talk about something particular, when there is only one thing of something like the sun, the moon and more. When we have already talked about something before, at that time we use the. And note one thing, the is used before the noun that begin with consonant and vowel sound both. So article the is used before when noun is plural, when we talked about something particular, when there is only one thing of something, when we have already talked about something before, then only article the is used. Now let's learn the examples. First, I have a ball. The ball is big. Why we use the? Because we have talked about the ball already. Second, the principal of my school is nice. Here we use the because we are talking about particular person, the principal of my school. Third, the oranges are very tasty. Over here we use the because oranges noun is plural. Fourth, the sun is hot. Why we use the? Because sun is only one. So we use the. Now is clear for you or what? Okay, good. And remember, the is used before the name of rivers, sea and ocean. The Indian Ocean, Yamunas, Niles and more. Hills and mountains and mountain ranges like the Nilgiri Hills, the Himalayas, and the Mount Everest. Famous buildings like the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Statue of Liberty, Paris, and more. So now it's clear for you? The is used before the name of rivers, seas, and oceans, the hills, mountains, and mountain ranges, famous buildings, the Red Fort, Taj Mahal, and more. Now it's exercise time. Fill in the blanks with a and the. We have to fill in the blanks with a and the. Let's do this exercise. I have blank dog. Blank dog is naughty. In the first blank, which article will come? Yes, it's A. Because dog is a singular noun plus consonant sound. So we put A before dog. In the second blank, which article will we put? Yes, it is the. Why? Because we have already talked about the dog. So we use the. Now second one. Mother pours milk into blank cup. Here cup is a singular noun plus consonant sound. So we use A before cup. Remember, I taught you. And the third question. Blank sun rises in the east. Which article should we put? Yes, it's the. Why? Because sun is only one. So we use the. Then the fourth question. We put blank onions in a bag. So, which article will we use? Yes, it's the. Why? Because onions is a plural noun. So we use the. Then fifth question. My aunt has blank umbrella. Blank umbrella is pink. So in the first blank of this question, which article will we put? Yes, it's and. Why? Because umbrella is a singular noun plus a vowel sound. Remember, I taught you. Then, in the second blank, we use article the. Why? Because we have already talked about the umbrella. Yes, I taught you. Then the sixth question. I saw blank igloo. So, which article should we put? noun plus a vowel sound. So we use and. Okay, we have done this exercise. Clap for yourselves. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Like and share my videos to your friends so they can also learn with me. Bye friends. See you next